Hello everyone, welcome back to the Agro Times. I'm Olivia and today I'm at the farm. Actually, this is my farm. It is 2 acres and I'm going to grow some vegetables here. Actually, I'm setting up a demo farm in sort of a learning center. So today we are particularly cultivating the primary cultivation, then we shall come back for secondary cultivation. So we are right there. Somehow the tractor is stuck. This land 2 acres, but 1 acre is a little bit swampy. Then 1 acre loam soils. So here we are, but we are going to fix it out. So the land goes up to those edges, surrounded and bordered by sugarcane plantations. This is Usoga region. Them with sugarcane, they are 25 just together. Then far ends. So I'm setting here particularly a demo farm and I'm planning to grow vegetable, but I want to try out something new. Which vegetable would you like me to plant this season? Like which vegetable? Just give me recommendations in the comment section. What you should prefer to see on this demo farm. This is a demonstration farm, like a model farm, basically for learning purposes. So just suggest what you would wish to see on this farm. Uh, I was planning to grow pumpkins, uh, then green pepper. Like I have another piece of land just on the main road where I want to do sections of different vegetables, but particularly on this farm, I want 2 varieties. That's pumpkin and green pepper. However, I've never grown green pepper before, so I'm just trying it out. I'm just learning from here. Maybe I'll try also cabbages on other land. Maybe I'm not so certain. I'm not so sure, but because I'm really engaged. I'm tired. You can even hear. I'm exhausted when the season is on. Hey, we overwork. We extension workers, we overwork. We are always here and there, jumping from one farm to another farm, doing this and this. And remember, I personally do documentaries. So sometimes I'm doing documentaries and successful stories for the organizations and I'm working with under agriculture department. So I get exhausted, and that's the main reason why you is sometimes you don't see me on this channel, sometimes you see me, but my fellow workers are always servicing you well. They are always doing a great job here at the Agro Time. So I think I will spend here the whole day, a full day here at the farm. However much I have to. Today we were supposed to go and train farmers where in Ibukabul on vegetable farming. As the Agro Times, we are recruiting farmers. Should I say recruiting? No, we are. I don't know the correct word to use. Establishing, doing what? So we are basically forming vegetable growers groups in different sub counties, and for the vegetables they are going to grow, I will make sure I market them. Actually, I already have the market, so I'm just setting up in each and every sub county, at least in Mayuge district. So with at least each sub county with a group of 20 people in different parishes. So that's my aim. That's what I was supposed to do, but I think I will do it after maybe 2 weeks from now because I'm engaged the coming week. I have a lot of activities in documentary. Like I'm going to document successful stories in Kiganda Rusabu County FNR project. That's World Division Uganda. So sometimes I be like, oh, let me vlog this, let me talk to my subscribers, let me say something. But then at the end of the day, I'm exhausted. Like today, I wanted to do get ready with me, you know, those videos as I go to the farm, but wow, I ended up jumping from one office to the farm. So, but I'm around. I'm around, and we keep sharing. Keep telling me what you really want to hear and what you really want us to be sharing with you. So I will show you until the end of this cultivation, and I will take you along with me on this farm. Every practice we shall be doing on this farm, we are doing it together with you. As I do, I hope you also implement at your home. So just pray for me. The tractor is still, let me show you. The tractor is still stuck in there, but they are trying their level best to fix. Yesterday we were here, and then we got some mechanical problems, so we had to rush to the garage. And now we are here. Then we are stuck. And this is the only day I have, like the only free day I have. The days I'm too occupied. I don't know, I'm too occupied. I even look tired right now, yet it is early in the morning, very early in the morning. For now, let me let me do something. I want to go. There is a tree, a guava tree up there. So I want to go and pick some guavas. I be eating as I wait for what next.